Hey, what's up guys? Today I will make a review about VidPresent. In this review, I will show you what is VidPresent. I will show you the sales page, the live demo, price, and everything you need to know about this product. Now, without any further, let's get started. So first, what is VidPresent? VidPresent is a groundbreaking app creates video presentations that attract, inform, educate, and persuade audiences to buy your products and services online. This modern video presentation platform comes with commercial rights and tons of DeFi local niche campaigns to make it easy to create and sell video presentations. So here in the sales page, join us for a training on how to create highly persuasive business video presentation to convert your visitors into paying customers. Discover a quick way to sell video presentation as a service to local clients who want more sales, boost conversions for their business. So the product will live in 28 in this month. So this is the sales page. This is the demo video. You can check it on this page. The demo video created by the creator himself in this product, so you can know more about this product inside the product in this video here. Here you can register for a chance to win a free copy of VidPresent. So this is the features of this product. Create video presentations, create engaging video presentations that quickly grab more eyeballs to get hot sales for any niche in any few minutes. VidPresent gives complete freedom to create any type of video presentations that are mind-winning for the audience. They can easily export their presentations in JPG and PNG, PDF, at PPT in a single hit. DeFi video presentations niche campaigns use a high conversion DeFi video presentations campaigns for plenty of local niches. Select any local niche video presentation campaign from the assortment of niche, customize it easily to fit your needs and share it. This is as simple as that. Video presentation in 3 aspect ratios. Easily create video presentation in the landscape. Vertical easily use it to immerse the audience in a certain period or make the mood more dramatic. DeFi presentation slides. Adding multiple slides to the presentation has more chances to win more visibles that easily attract towards it. Each slide is affirmative for them. Face filters. So VidPresentations enable you to create and record eye-catching video presentation in just a few clicks. Most people record video presentations with face because it's make them memorable and maintain professionalism. So this is the features of VidPresent. So here VidPresent goes live January 28, 2020 this year. For an early bird discount, you can register for a chance to win a free copy of VidPresent. So that's it guys for this review. I hope you benefit. If so, I will much appreciate it if you give the video a like. The link of VidPresent, you will find it in the description below. Take care guys and see you in the next video.